Good morning, guys. Left this one printing overnight. A seaplane. Originally a wooden kit. I scanned the instructions in and converted it to a SVG file, imported it to Tinkercad and converted it to an STL file. Yeah. Oh well, I'll get a bag to put that in so I don't drop the bits on the floor. Right, guys, that's the original wooden kit that I scanned in and converted to an STL file eventually. And that's what we've printed out. Obviously it's smaller so that I could fit it on the print bed. So basically these bits not that it makes a great deal of difference, but I suppose we could try and keep them same way round. And obviously I could glue them together. The important thing will be whether any of my holes line up. And I think these are going to be a bit short. We'll see. Probably would have been a good idea to start one side and work our way through. Well, that goes through all right. In fact, if anything, they are a bit loose. Very loose. Yeah, might have to put some glue on fairly quickly because I have made them much looser than they should have been. Still, you get the idea. That all slots together. That last one hasn't gone through yet. There we go. So yeah, they slot together. Then that one goes on top of there. I took a few liberties with some of the dimensions just to make it easier to get it together. All right, yeah, that's gone on there. Yeah, really need to squirt a bit of glue in there. How about this fella? How are you going to look? Which way up do we want you? We'll go that way. Well, I am going to have to glue them. Can't hold them together. I haven't got enough fingers. No, that's the wrong hole. That one. Then that one goes on there. It's supposed to be a front turret. That one goes that way round. That one goes up underneath. That's definitely going to need a bit of glue, because that's not going to hold in place. Can I even put it down without it all falling apart? No. Let's see if we can make up the motor mount. That goes round that way. That one goes through the middle of there. Propeller goes on there. Oh, and that one's a tight fit. Everything else has been loose. And that one's going tight. Which is funny, because that's the only bit that you really want to spin. Let's see if we can work it. It does turn now. It's loosening up a bit. And that one goes on the front of there. This is all going to fall apart, so I pick it up. I think it goes that way round. Where's the picture? Yeah, it's a pusher propeller. And then these bits go under there. Okay, I'm clearly going to have to glue these because I've made them a loose fit instead of a tight fit. So I'll do some gluing and then we'll come back. I'm rather pleased with that. So I was a bit generous with the size of the holes that I put in it. So it does slop around a bit and it needs glue to stop the bits falling out. Whereas that one, everything's a tight fit. Yeah. Pleased with that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.